It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about YouTube topic. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to simply brand your YouTube channel with your logo or picture or subscribe button or any types of brand you might think of to add as watermark to your YouTube video. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to log in to your YouTube account. Then having logged into your YouTube account, next thing you need to do is to navigate to YouTube Studio right here. Click on YouTube Studio. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply head over to customization right here. Click on customization. Just simply click on it. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, right here, and make sure you come to video watermark right here. The watermark will appear on your video in the right hand corner of the video player. Here you can decide to choose option where you want your watermark to be. So display time, so you can decide to choose end of the video, that is the watermark is going to appear in the end of the video. You can choose custom start, you can add a time that you want the watermark to appear on your video. So right here, the watermark is going to be appear just like this button you will see right here, which is subscribe. So what you need to do is to enter a particular time. So that is for custom entire video. If you choose entire video, it simply means that the watermark will appear from the beginning of the video to the end of the video. So because of the fact that I have already had a watermark, that is why you see it right here. And this simply means that this is how the watermark is going to appear on your video. Each time anybody is watching your video, it can be your logo, it can be your face, it can be your cartoon, it can be anything. You can add it here as a watermark. Okay. Once you add everything, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here and make sure you hit on publish. But so right here, because of the fact that I've already uploaded it, that is why you see it right here. So from your end, if you have not uploaded the watermark, you will need to simply click on upload. Then you upload the picture, which has to do with some certain size. You have to follow the YouTube requirement size for that particular picture, and the picture needs to be in transparency, which is PNG file format, so that it will not block some viewers from watching that particular part of the video. So once you upload the picture, it's going to be shown right here, and you have it right there in the bottom corner of your video. Next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on publish, and it's going to be saved and appear. Each time anybody is watching your YouTube video, if they are watching it, you can see, go to your change publish, go to your channel. So click on your channel, and when you click on any of the video on your channel, the watermark is going to appear down below in the play button in the video. Is that simple? For more tutorial tips and tricks about YouTube settings like this, consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.